Meet the Aston Martin DB9 Volante, an elegant open-air grand tour with unmistakable British character and timeless design. Moving around the exterior, the clean rear design, integrated taillights, dual exhaust, and sculpted bodywork keep the look refined from every angle. As we come around to the front, the signature Aston Martin grille and distinctive headlights create one of the most recognizable faces in luxury motoring. A closer look reveals the multi-spoke alloy wheels and subtle side detailing that complement the DB9's understated, sophisticated design. And beneath that elegant exterior is Aston Martin's naturally aspirated V12, delivering the smooth power and distinctive character this grand tourer is known for. Moving inside, the cabin is finished in beautiful light-colored leather, creating a bright and luxurious atmosphere. The driver-focused cockpit features Aston Martin's distinctive instrument cluster, while the center stack combines rich wood trim, metallic controls, and carefully finished details. Premium leather continues across the sculpted front seats and into the rear cabin, giving the entire interior a handcrafted and cohesive feel. From its elegant exterior design to its V12 performance and beautifully finished cabin, the DB9 Volante represents a classic era of Aston Martin grand touring.